for the tires or something. I don't think it's diff because it's not load sensitive. I think more tires. The tires were at 18 psi. This thing's been sitting for a long time. They're not at 30. Yeah. So. And with it sitting for a long time, back both to the differential and the transmission, you got half your gear set sitting in the air, and we'll get a little bit of a surface rust on the gear sets. So that could be another factor too. I'll have to find out from the customer how long it's been sitting to see if that's a possibility. And who knows about the history before that. Curious minds need to know.